Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today's review is going to be all about one of these hot glue guns. This is a corded model, and this one here I just picked up right now. It was just delivered from the Amazon guy, and this is a cordless battery operated one. I've never used it before. This one here says heats up in 3 to 5 minutes. This one here says heats up in 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to test it out. Let's go over to the bench. Let's talk about it a bit. Okay, so let's start off right here. I've had good service out of this corded glue gun, and you know what? It serves its purpose, but I wanted to get one that was more, well, not cord attached, so I could actually use it. And when I seen this on sale on one of them Amazon Prime days, I'll show you the price right here. And I tell you what, I thought this was a smoking deal, and for the money, you know what? When you're thinking about looking at a review on YouTube, and you see somebody that's got a review that's not trying to sell you nothing, this is just straight up honest review. So I got the glue sticks. I think there's like 20 glue sticks, and they're the full size. They're not the minis or anything. And you can get these in different variations. Now I got the Dewalt brand of batteries. Now you can get Milwaukee, you can get Makita, you can get I believe there's about 5 different varieties that you can get. You just snaps in, very simple. On the end here is on and off switch. I haven't even tried it yet. And this is going to glow red. And then when it's ready, well, it's going to be green and ready to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my stopwatch, press it on. Well, it's not growing, it's blue. So I guess it's going to change to green. So I'll bring you back when that's changed. We'll see how much time it is for this to be heated up to use. And we'll try it out and we'll see how it works. Okay, so we're over the 5-minute mark, and I decided to read the instructions. It just says preheat the gun for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes is up, and let's see what it does. Okay, like right there, I'm saying that sucks, because when you take a look at the battery here, I got 3 bars on the battery, and I've waited, what is it, 6, almost 7 minutes coming up, and there, she's just coming now. But you know what? I have to say, yeah, you're going to have to wait maybe a little more time. But you know what? That's coming out pretty good as far as I'm concerned. But you know what? For the money and the locations that I'll be using this in remotely, I mean, for the price, what do you think? Because you know what? I'm liking it. And you can turn it off here. There you go right there. Okay, for the money, I'm saying this is pretty good. Now the 3 to 5 minute thing, okay, so this particular model that they sent me, the light doesn't change, but I mean, turn it on, turn it off, I can wait 3 to 5 minutes, right? No big deal. And it didn't take any juice out of the battery at all, and I'm figuring I could use this for quite a long time. You know, no cord attached or anything, because I want to tell you something. Up in my cabin, I got it running off a modified sine wave inverter. And this corded glue gun, there's nothing wrong with it. It works fine. But it will not work off a modified sine wave. I can leave it plugged in there till the cows come home and it'll never get hot. Bring it back home, plug it in, gets hot, I could use it. So this is why I went to this, because there's a lot of times when you've got a job, and of course I'm working by myself most of the time, and it's nice that if you could just put little dabs of hot glue on, put it on, and then move down to the other end to do the work that you have to do. A glue gun comes in so handy. So thanks for joining me here today. I'm saying this is a good buy. You know, I'd recommend it. Just search around and get the best deals that you can. I would say, you know, if you can get one where it tells you when it's ready, that's good too, right? So Thanks for joining me here today. Come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe and see some interesting reviews just like this. Cheers.